How to change PIN in Messenger. To reset or create 6-digit PIN to access chat history in new device, this video is for you. For that, first of all, make sure that you have installed updated version of Messenger application. Once you check that, launch the Messenger application and make sure you have logged into your account. Now simply tap on the three lines which is on the top left corner of your screen. Now select the gear icon. There you will see privacy and safety. Simply tap on it. Here you will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Go through it and tap on message storage. There you will see option of reset pin. Simply create your pin from here. In this way, you can easily change or create 6-digit pin to access chat history in new device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.